Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Cash. Thanks again for joining me here. Hope you're having a phenomenal day. Quick look here again at Near Protocol. Get a lot of requests from this. We're going to try to put this on the daily driver list, see kind of what's going on because it's very interesting. I like the way that it recovered yesterday, quite strong. It hasn't pulled back yet like most coins have as well. So this is a very, very good sign. We're going to talk about that and much more. So if you're new to the channel, just know I'm not a financial advisor. I love teaching people to trade, and I hope you can learn something here today. If you want to become a better trader, cryptocash.tech is a site. Link down below. I provide you with trade signals, an academy as well, where I just basically teach everything I know, and obviously just a phenomenal community too. So community is no cost. You can just jump on over here to our Discord, link down below. We've also got a Twitter and Telegram too, so be sure to check that out in your own time. What we want to look at here is the backend data for Near Protocol and kind of see what's going on with liquidation first, and we can work our way down on the charts. Because again, it's always important to understand, focused areas. And right now we can see a heavy, very heavy concentration at 2.5 there of shorts. Probably getting a little nervous right now, but more importantly, more likely to be swept. Okay, so again, if you're in a long position right now, I think it might be safe to say that that level should be hit first before anything lower. Mainly because, again, the whales tend to target situations like that or areas like that, so just know that's a possibility. Again, if Bitcoin continues to pull back, it might be a different story altogether. Bitcoin's now at about 42.4. We got to get a closure above 42.4 or higher today to get any confirmation on a bullish uptrend. It doesn't look like it's going to happen yet, but we'll see here soon. That being said, Near Protocol is holding strong, and that's always a great sign. So what does that mean for us here? Well, let's look at the daily time frame. And as we talked about previously, we got some weekly candlestick closures here, right at about 233, upwards about 256, okay? So we're kind of in the middle of that range as a rough estimate. We look at the daily time frame, zoom in a little bit here. We can see that stochastic RSI is wanting to swing up. Traditional RSI and money inflow index are above 50, below 70. That's perfect place in my opinion. Okay, so again, daily time frame is a bit of a lag, right? We just got, we got to wait 24 hours to basically see what's going to happen next. So in truth, those are some bigger picture movements likely in the back end. We're ascending bullishly here with this trend line. We're going to go ahead and extend that out here just so we can pay attention to that here later. Because again, we lost our short-term trend line, doesn't mean our medium to long-term trend line is gone. Okay, so the overall trend right now is still up. So Near Protocol, I could say, in summary, on the daily is looking good. That doesn't mean we take a decision or make a trade based on that, but we still want to kind of understand that's roughly where we're at. Stochastic is starting to swing down, and last time we swung down for stochastic RSI, it was right here. Price pulled back pretty significant. So keep in mind, it doesn't mean that it's going to happen, but there is, a lot of truth here in the fact that when stochastic RSI will swing up or down, it continues in that direction. Keep in mind, what we were looking for here today is a closure somewhere in the range of about 240 or higher, okay? Again, we're not quite there yet, but it's looking fairly strong, all things considered. So what else does that mean? Well, let's look at RSI. RSI is up over 50, that's positive. Money flow index is coming down. So money's coming out of the coin, but the RSI is kind of staying the same. It's somewhat of a bearish sign. It's not great, but it's also not like a terrible situation either, because a lot of times what will happen is the RSI will come down to 50, kind of bounce, and then we'll also see the money flow index bounce off that 30 to 40 range. Okay, so that's kind of what we're looking for here. It's not a perfect picture, but definitely looking decent. And the reason why I feel like we might get a bounce off of this level here is because 0.5 and a previous, again, weekly candlestick closure is about 233. Is going to reaffirm that as a potential support. So there's a decent chance we'll see the price come up here. Keep in mind, we got a ton of liquidity in this upper range, and the price action is likely to get swept. Again, previous liquidity levels get swept often. So my speculation is the price will, at the very least in the near future, wick up to this 248, 250 range to wipe out this upper level of liquidity and to essentially destroy some shorts, okay? That would make sense. Now again, the only thing that would nullify that or, make sure that doesn't happen is if Bitcoin drops down to 40,000. That's a distinct possibility as well. But right now, based on how well this is performing contrary to Bitcoin, I think we're in good shape. Let's also take a quick look here at the Ichimoku cloud and just say that we have confirmation on all fronts here. So there's no reason to take a short, more confirming factors here for long. Okay, so again, Near Protocol is looking pretty good for a potential long position. So those are my 2 cents. What are your 2 cents? Comment below, let me know your thoughts. Love to hear it. Like the video before you go. Oh, also be sure to check this out. Before year end, you can benefit from some significant rewards if you use my link to register for Bitunix. They're an amazing exchange, my favorite by far. We're transitioning over there because there's no KYC or VPN requirements, and unfortunately, a lot of my BingX users got hit pretty hard with VPN requirements, and some of them are unwilling to do that, so we got you covered here. Check them out. Trailing stop loss is a whole lot of cool features. In my Discord, I have a walkthrough and, of course, some instructions on how to set multiple profit targets. All cool things there. So again, I hope you have a good rest of your day. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Take good care. Bye.